5 websites that will pay you out daily in 24 hours. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 websites that you can actually join in order to start earning daily money, okay? So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys ways that you can make money from home, how to make money with affiliate marketing, as well as personal development type videos. So if those type of videos interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And make sure you stay until the end of this video, so that way you can get more information and also learn how I am actually making money online working from home. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So the first website that I'm going to share with you is called Lime. And we're looking at the website right now. So Lime is a service that's really popular in larger cities where you can actually rent out scooters to use as transportation within the city. So how do you make money as a Lime representative pretty much? So every single day, Lime needs people to go out to collect these scooters, charge them up, and bring them back to the same location the following day. And that's what you need to do in order to get paid daily. You need to bring back the scooters fully charged and around like 7 a.m. the following day at the same location that you picked them up. And again, that's how you're going to be able to earn your daily commissions. So with every website that I'm going to share with you in this video, you want to make sure that you have some type of strategy, right? So what you want to do is once you become a Lime representative, they will actually send you some chargers that you can keep at your house, so that way when you're going out to collect these scooters, you have the chargers at your home. That way you can actually charge up those scooters. Now what you definitely want to do is, if you can, request more chargers, so that way you can actually charge up more scooters and actually earn more money, okay? So if you do like a simple search on YouTube, you can actually see people who are crushing anywhere from like $700 to $800 per week doing being representatives for Lime, just simply charging up scooters, guys, okay? So again, this is really popular in larger areas. This is what I've seen on quite often. Anytime that I go visit Miami around like a certain time in the evening, we start seeing people with their pickup trucks and their cars going to check to see if particular scooters need to be charged, and they pick them up, and then they bring them back the next day, and that's how they're going to be able to earn their commission. So that's a really great way for you to actually earn some money and get paid within 24 hours. Now the second website that I want to share with you is called User Testing. So I did a brief video about this before, but this is another great way that you can actually earn some quick cash. So with User Testing, what they need the people to do is they need their representatives to go onto websites like CBS, Home Depot, Facebook, and things like that, and they want to make sure that things are set up a certain way. Maybe that as a user who is actually going to their website, they're actually having a great user experience and things like that. So in order for them to make those things happen, they need people like you, if you become a member of User Testing, to actually go to their website and test the website, okay? So all you will need to do is come to usertesting.com. What you'll do is sign up, and then if you are approved to become one of their representatives, again, all you will need to do is you'll need to download some software to your computer. And the great thing about this software too is that it comes with a notification bell. So anytime there's another test for you to actually take in order for you to earn some income, you will receive a notification. But I will tell you this, you definitely want to make sure that when you receive a notification, that you go ahead and jump in on that particular test in order for you to get a commission, right? The reason why I say that is because if you do not take that task in a certain amount of time, that task will actually go away, or maybe somebody else will actually get a hold of that task and they will do it and earn the commissions, okay? So you want to make sure that you go ahead and do that. And again, it's a really simple way. Again, you're just going to visit websites, you're going to answer a series of questions, and from there, once you have completed a test, you can earn $10 per test, sometimes even more, and you'll actually receive that money in your PayPal once you have completed a test. Now the third website we're going to talk about is DoorDash. Now the reason why I want to cover DoorDash is because right now, the United States, right now we're dealing with the coronavirus and things like that. You still have a lot of cities that haven't fully opened yet. You have people who still do not want to go outside to go do their shopping, to go get food and things like that. Whatever the case may be, you just still have a lot of people who are really affected by the COVID crisis, okay? So this is where you can come in and actually earn a lot of money with DoorDash, okay? So you can become a driver for DoorDash, And what you can do is you can deliver food and things like that to people who need their food and everything else. Again, for people who do not want to go outside right now, or who want to limit the amount of time that they're outside and having human interaction during this time, okay? So this is really great for you to actually kind of come up and actually make some money, because there's a lot of people right now who are using this service. Now, you can even, if you don't have a DoorDash available in your area, you also have Uber Eats. You also have Instacart, which is kind of like grocery shopping, where you go to the grocery store and get things for people. Also, Shipt.com is another way that people can actually get access to groceries. They'll put in their order, you go to the store, you pick up those items, and you drop them off at their house, okay? So again, what you would need to do is just come to DoorDash.com, and you can actually come over here, and you can click on the FAQ. Actually, click on Learn More. And right here, it'll show you all the details that you need to do in order to sign up to earn money from DoorDash. Again, if you do like a simple search on YouTube, there are people who are earning at minimum $700 per week with DoorDash. And again, they're going in with the strategy, okay? So you just don't want to do this haphazardly. You definitely want to have a strategy when you're doing this. So there are going to be areas inside of your city that are kind of like hot spots pretty much, right? Where there's a lot of activity, where there's a lot of people who are wanting to place orders. This could also be during lunchtime in areas like in your downtown area where there's a lot of office buildings and things like that. Whatever it is, go in with a strategy, find those hot spots, so that way you can start to earn more money with DoorDash. Now the next website we're going to look at is Etsy.com. So with Etsy.com is really popular for people who do arts and crafts, who can make things from home like t-shirts, maybe you know how to make soaps, things for skincare, anything like that, guys. You can come over here to Etsy.com, create a store, and you can go ahead and start selling those products. Now, one of the good things about Etsy is that they actually promote their own sellers, okay? So the more sales that you get, if you are really good at SEO on this website, you can actually have your listing show up higher in the search feed, and that way when people go in and start searching for maybe bath bombs and all those type of things like that, your store shows up, and that way you can start earning more sales, okay? Now the thing is with Etsy, you do have to get some consistent sales first, and then once you have done that, they can start paying you out every single day, okay? And that way you can go ahead and use those funds to reinvest into your business and things like that as well. But Etsy is a really great way. Again, if you do arts and crafts, you know how to make things from home, this is definitely a great website that you can go ahead and be a part of to promote your own store and start earning commissions. Now this website is Upwork.com. Now this is really great for people who do freelancing, okay? So with freelancing, is basically you're just selling your skills in order to earn money. So think about anything that you have done or any job that you had in the last 5-10 years. You can come to Upwork.com. You can go ahead and post your job for hire, and if you get hired, you earn money, right? So whether it's data entry, customer service, graphic arts, maybe you know how to run Facebook ads, you know how to do a few things on maintaining people's social media accounts, or whatever the case may be, whatever your skills are, you can post them for hire on this website. And again, if you get hired, you start to earn money. Again, you want to have a strategy if you go with this method here, because if you know how to actually show up more in the search feeds and everything else, just kind of like Etsy, you can actually get exposed to more people, and you can actually start to earn more commissions and get hired for more jobs. There are actually people, again, on YouTube who are making several 5 figures per month doing freelancing, okay? So again, you can come to Upwork.com, create an account, and start posting your services. You also, ways that you can actually do this, you don't really even have to use Upwork.com or maybe Fiverr.com or anything like that. If you are really good on social media, you can actually start posting your skills for hire inside of popular Facebook groups, okay? So maybe you know how to set up, create, beautiful Shopify stores. So you can join groups on Facebook that are e-commerce based and offer your services there, where you can actually create somebody a beautiful Shopify store, add at least 10 products in there, and you can actually earn commissions that way, okay? Again, people need to know how to run Facebook ads. Again, join these popular entrepreneur groups, work from home groups, stay at home moms or whatever else, who are trying to get more advertising and more business to their stores, their online stores, their businesses, or whatever else. Again, you can post your services in there, and again, you can start to earn commissions. Make sure you have like contracts available and everything else for people to sign to make sure that, you know, everything is being done properly and that you do get paid, okay? But freelance is a really, really great way for you to start to earn income because basically you're just selling skills that you already have. In this video, I share with you 5 websites that you can go to that you can actually start to earn money every single day. Now, below this video, in the description below, I'm going to include my #1 way that I actually earn money online, and that's with affiliate marketing. I have been doing affiliate marketing for quite a few years right now, and it's actually helped me to live a comfortable life working from home and working on my own schedule. So if you want to know more information about how to get started with affiliate marketing and how you can start working from home, again, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link. You can start to learn exactly how I'm able to earn money. And then also below, I'm going to include the links to every website that I had mentioned in this video. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.